If there is one book that is a life changer for me, that would be Atomic Habits by James Clear because it was able to answer the lingering question I had in my mind for the longest time. This book taught me the importance of cultivating a habit. Nung una kasi talaga, wala akong idea how significant it is to have a good habit and how it will affect the many facets of your life until I read this one. Here's a little backstory about me. When I was a teenager, I was in a 6-year relationship. And 5 years of that is long distance. So wala akong madalas gawin nung time na yon kundi isipin yung tao na yon. Especially when I go to college in Manila, where I had to travel for more than an hour because that was the same time na ginagawa yung Skyway. So every time na sasakay ako ng bus, I would just look out of the window and think of him. And in my mind, create beautiful stories of us together. So unconsciously, I created that habit of just thinking of him every day for almost 4 years until he broke up with me. Many years after, something triggered that habit. So I was thinking of him the way I was thinking of him before. So, sabi ng mga friends ko, hindi naman daw kasi talaga nawawala yon, especially for that long of a relationship. At some point, I believe them, but I disagree that it is because you still love the person. So, that's the time na I really started looking for answer. Like I Googled, I asked online kung ano ba yung possible na answer, kung bakit mo iniisip yung tao na you're not supposed to be thinking in the first place. So one time while I was reading my daily devotion, nabasa ko na you're thinking of something or you're thinking of someone because you are entertaining the thought. Which is tama naman because you're entertaining it di talagang maiisip mo. But even after that, nandun pa din, lumalabas pa din kasi merong pa ring nagtitrigger. So when I read the Atomic Habit, it says that once a habit is formed, it is unlikely to be forgotten. So I was like relieved na parang, yun pala yun yung sagot naging habit siya. Kasi meron akong habit na unconsciously na formed ko back in the days while I was in that stage of my life. The book also says that once a habit has been encoded, the urge to act follows whenever the environmental cues reappear. At some point, I was reminded of that habit or of that pattern that my brain created when I was in college. So, something triggered that habit. Maybe it was the same path that I would travel back then, the same distance, the same idle time. So, basta in short, meron siyang trigger. So, nagkaroon ako ng awareness also na whenever I will be tempted to do the same habit again, I would tell myself that it is not anymore part of my life because that one belongs to my past. Reading Atomic Habits gave me an understanding of my behavior or the why of my behavior because I am not proud of it when I am on that stage. So that's why I am so thankful that I was able to read Atomic Habits, and I'll be forever thankful for that. So if you want to know more and understand better about habits, how to create a good one and break the not so good ones, you might also want to read Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I hope that you will also enjoy it as much as I did.